two of Yelp's top taco spots in Orange County. But first, we got to hit up our local bakery. All right, so we're at the bakery now. I'm gonna go in and see if they have any fresh pastries at this time. So they did have our pastries, so always the best. Always good, never let us down. Always, whenever you want some good pastries, hit up Champagne. Always good. All right, we got our sweets out of the way. Now it's time to go see what these Yelp taco shops are all about.
Hey guys, welcome to LNH Eats and Adventures. We're right here at Los Cholos in Anaheim. It's, according to Yelp, it's one of the best taco shops. One of the two of the best ones. So let's try them out.
As I told you guys, this place is like packed. I mean, there's no parking up in here. There's a line out the door, so we're gonna go try to make line and see how long it takes us to get through. Again, this place is like super packed. Place is super packed. No parking. Line is out the door. So I don't know how long it's gonna take us to stand in line, but we'll see. So the line is out the door here. You can see the line's out the door. There's no parking. Senior room only up in this place. They don't let you reserve seating. So hopefully once we get our order in, that we'll still be able to get our seats. So you can already see that this place stays busy. So they actually have to go. You can place to go orders here because these lines are super long. So if you don't want to wait in line, you can also push it over. Yeah. So we're probably about to make it up to the door. We'll enter the door, so still a long line inside. So we'll be inside and we're going to take a look at the menu. So we're finally making it to the register. So it looks like we're going to be next up to get in line with our order. So the mini tacos? What? You have like the mini tacos? Oh, yeah. So here's our sauces that we got right here. Finally got to our seats. We're just waiting for our food to come out now. We just grabbed some sauces right here. Other cucumbers, cilantro, onions, and some onions right here. So we're just waiting on our food to come out right now.
Hey guys, so we ordered a lemonade that has chia. It looks amazing. And for this hot day, I definitely need to try it. Not too sugary and not too sour. It's just right. They know how to do their aguas frescas here. Guys, we just met a couple that said that they drove 4 hours to get here. If you come along, if you do a drive like that, that means the tacos are good.
All right, so we got our tacos right here. We got 2 carne asadas we're going to try out, and we got the unbeatable tacos right here. We also have carne asada quesadillas right here. Man, I don't know if we're gonna make it to the next spot with all this food we have right here. So here's our salsas right here. They don't have a lot of hot salsas. These three right here are medium, and this one right here is the only hot one that they have. So we're gonna try out these tacos and tell you what we think. All right, first we're gonna try out the carne asada, see what it's like. It's a good taco right there. The sauce, I used the hot sauce, pretty hot. Tortillas are fresh, homemade. Meat is a premium meat, soft, no gristle in it. Perfect. Full of flavor. It's just a perfect carne asada taco. So now we're gonna try the pork one. The pork is also good, full of flavor. Again, I use the hot salsa. I like I like to be on the hot side. Full of flavor, no fat. Overall, perfect taco.
Okay, guys, I'm trying the quesadilla. It's carne asada and it's chopped up meat. It's really tender. It comes plain. The sauces that I did were more on the hot side. Just added some guacamole and some onions, cilantro. It is really good, very tasty, and chile güerito does not disappoint, guys. And the flour tortillas, these are fresh made, approved.
Place was awesome. Tacos Los Cholos. If you guys are ever in the Anaheim area, you gotta hit this place up. The line may be long, but it moves pretty fast. So don't worry about the line. They also have a area where you can place orders to go. But if you're ever in Anaheim, this place right here is a must-eat taco shop. All right, guys, if you guys are ever in Anaheim, you got to hit this place up. Tacos Los Cholos. Hey, the line may be long. The lines move fast. The food was excellent. So if you're ever in Anaheim, we're going to leave the description and the address and the link below. So if you guys are ever in the area, don't hesitate to hit this place up. All right, guys. Now we're headed to our second stop on this taco adventure. We're going to be heading to Angel's Tijuana's Tacos. I'm guessing that the name's Tijuana, basically saying that their tacos taste like Tijuana tacos. If you don't know where Tijuana is, it's right across the Mexican border. I lived in San Diego for 20 years. So I've been to TJ hundreds of times just to eat tacos. So we're going to see if the name actually meets up to the billing of TJ Tacos. So we just picked up our bag right here. That was pretty packed in there, so really nowhere to sit. So we're going to take it out here to the car, try out Angel's Tijuana Tacos. All right, so we just picked up our tacos right here. There was nowhere to sit inside, so we're going to take it out here and eat our tacos. Let's take a look at it real quick. Guys, hooked us up with, we got 3 carne asadas here and 1 pork taco right here. Look at that right there. Looks very delicious. Looks like they already put everything on. We ordered it with everything, so Everything's already on there. Salsa, cilantro, onions. So, hey, it's eat ready. So I just actually walked out of there. I want to go ahead and try this out right now. See how it compares. See if it's really a TJ taco. I just like the carne asada. It's pretty good. I was talking to the guy. It is homemade tortillas, and you do taste the mesquite wood, firewood that they use, just like they use down in TJ. It's not a TJ taco, but it's good. So here I'm gonna put some salsa on this one right here. Like I told you guys, I love my salsa hot. So let's try it out.
How is it? Is it too spicy?
Not spicy at all. Salsa's pretty good. You can taste the tomatoes a lot more than I normally taste in the salsa, but it's pretty good. It's a good salsa.
Yes, it tastes like the original across the border. And
does not taste like original across the border TJ taco, but quesadillas. But it is good. It is a good taco because you can taste the wood that they use to the coals that they use to cook these right here. You can taste it in the meat, and like I said, the tortillas are homemade, handmade. So that's a plus when it comes to eating TJ tacos. All right, so now we're gonna taste the pork. See how the pork stands up.
How is it?
The pork is awesome. You guys saw in the video I just showed when they was in there cooking the pork. Pork is awesome. Soft, just a little bit of crunch like you need when you mess with the pork tacos. I'm giving this place a 9 in my opinion, but it's easily bumping at a 10. These tacos are good. They're not TJ tacos, but they're close. They're close.
Okay, guys. Well, I tried the taco, the carne asada one with the corn tortilla. As a Mexican born and raised, I definitely like these tacos. I really like both of them. The Angel's tacos and the Tacos Los Cholos. Each of one has their own taste, their own particular taste, but both of them I've enjoyed. And I definitely recommend them. But I'm going to let Hugh tell you which one did he like the best.
All right, guys. So I'm going to tell you one thing. This taco trip did not disappoint. This Angel's Tijuana tacos, perfect tacos. The other location that we was at, I mean, both spots are perfect, spot on when it comes to making tacos. So if you guys are ever in the Anaheim area, please don't hesitate to look these locations up. Like I said, we will link these down in the description. That way you guys can go check them out. And all I gotta say that both of these locations they went to are LNH approved.